All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the levels. So let's click on levels. And you can see right here, when I add this effect to the layers, if I just click on it, it's going to pop up right here, and then we can adjust the layers right here. So we can go wild and kind of turn the knobs that way. You can also do red, green, blue, so we can just edit red. So this is just going to adjust red if there's any red in the image itself. Green, there isn't any really showing, and obviously blue, this is clearly blue. So that's going to completely affect blue a lot. Okay. I recommend using just RGB and setting it to auto and then adjusting from there. Okay, there you go. So that is levels. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.